at it again today. I'm trying to be consistent with my uploading my content. So today, I already uploaded one. Today is Tuesday, so this is gonna go up on Wednesday. Yeah, cause I did one for today already. And yeah, I never beer battered anything, but I'm about to try it today. And it looked like it can get kind of messy, and I hate sticky stuff on my fingers, but here we go, you guys. I'm about to put these seasoned shrimp. I don't know, how should I do this? Maybe I should just stick the fork in it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Stick the fork in it. And I'll just put the basket over. Oh, let me get my wine out the way. You guys, let me get my wine out the way. Okay, I'm gonna do this. That look kind of thick. I don't know, y'all. Ugh. Okay. Okay, let me do a little bit of this stuff. Yeah, this is kind of thick. Maybe, I guess it's supposed to be like this. Or maybe I should just put them all in there and get it over with. I got shrimp. And I got lobster tails, the little lobster tails. And then I have, I'm just putting all this in here. Ain't nobody got time to be individually dipping some stuff. And that's what I'm not gonna do. Let's mush this all around. And if I'm doing it wrong, y'all, let me know. But hey, it's about to go in this hot grease. Oh, wait a minute. Huh?
What was the passion you wanted down?
I don't know. I'm recording.
I need to record. Tell me that.
See, I told y'all in the last video. Okay, I'm guessing this. Okay. Do I need something? Okay, maybe I can use this long fork to pick him up.
You should do it tongs.
Yeah, hopefully this turns out okay. Because I've never beer battered anything. I've had beer battered stuff, but I have never beer battered it myself. Whoops, okay. I'm making a little mess over here, you guys. Let me put this right here. Let me pull y'all closer so y'all can see the mess that I'm making. Ooh. I was hoping I could get them all in here at one time, because me being the lazy cook that I am. Okay, let's see. That's enough. Ooh, ooh. You guys, stay in there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Huh? I didn't put them all in there. I put most of them in there, but not all of them. I got these cucumbers so we can dip in the sauce. And I still have some beloved sauce left, but it wasn't enough. So what I did was I had most of the onions and stuff in there. So what I did was I added some ranch and some Worcestershire and some paprika and some Old Bay. And y'all, I added some fire to it. 2 times spicy hot sauce. So did, y'all. So did. Ooh, they look pretty already. They look pretty already, y'all. They look pretty already, y'all. Okay. So how many of these do I have in here? I don't have that many more in here. It's about the equal amount that's in that basket. So let me clean this off. And our deep fryer stays on the patio, because I usually deep fry stuff out there, but y'all, it's too hot. It's too hot. So be out there. I ain't doing it, y'all. I can't do it. Cannot do it. And I'll clean these counters off later. I'm just getting this like stuff off. Woo! Okay. Okay, I need something to put these shrimps in. Okay, y'all. You guys are in the way. Oh, you guys are totally in the way, for sure. But I'm about to work this out. Before y'all back for a hot second. Louise. Okay, I guess this is big enough for the scrimps. Let's see, let me put some paper towels in there, some napkins in there, so it won't be, oh, you guys, let's see. Ooh, they're almost done. I think they're almost done, you guys. I am excited about, ouch, dang it. You guys, I really hate this stand. What kind of stand is it? It's a ZOME selfie light stand. I hate it. Maybe it's because I don't know how to use it, but I really do hate it. I hate this beast. Hey, y'all, let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo, look at you guys. Look it. They look pretty, huh? Should I let them go a little bit longer? Nope. I think that's enough. Now I need the things. Where's the things? Oh, maybe I shouldn't have put them all in like this, you guys, because look, they're stuck together. But that's okay. Woo! Jesus! I fucking hate this goddamn stand. I really fucking hate it. Y'all excuse my language, but this piece of shit ass shit, I really, and the damn phone done turned all the way around, y'all. I hate this thing. I hate it. And I'm about to buy me another one. Now I need another whole damn fork. Oh, yeah, they stuck. They stuck, you guys. What? Well, thanks for telling me that now.
Well, I can't see what you're doing over there.
If you know I'm doing beer batter, now you're going to wait till I put them in the thing, and then you're going to say, yeah, it is your fault. You're supposed to drop them in the grease. And you know what I'm doing. Huh?
You don't listen to what anybody
Did you say anything, though? Did you say anything?
Okay.
Did you say anything?
All right.
You didn't say anything, so what is there to listen to if you didn't say anything? Because for sure, if I had known that, I would have made my job easier. But it looks like it's still gonna taste good, y'all. I'm making a mess. Come on, you thing. I'm put these lobster tails in here now. So when those are done, these will be ready to be submerged. Meanwhile, in the meantime, in between time, let me try to get these things out of here. Oh, okay. It's not that bad. Ain't that good, but it ain't that bad either. But see, y'all can't taste it because I told y'all I ain't never made beer battered anything. I've eaten beer battered stuff, but I've never battered it. I made it myself. But this little crispy stuff, ooh, y'all. Even with them being ugly, they're still gonna go. Put up. Oh yeah, okay. 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 Yeah, that's good stuff. Now look at my repurposed dipping sauce. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good. Woo! This kind of spicy, y'all. Woo, Lord. Like I said, this is something new that I've never made. But it tastes so yummy. Let me see. Got the cucumbers. Yeah, this on point. This for real on point. Really good. And I made some crab legs in a bag. Nice and seasoned. Because I was gonna deep fry these, but I didn't feel like, ooh, it's hot, y'all. I did not feel like cracking them and killing them, so the deep fry them, so I just might as well. Yes, I just do, y'all. I just set off right. And we got some rice. Let me start that. Now I think I should be taking those out. That's much better, you guys. Let me turn this thing towards you guys so y'all can, towards the top. Y'all can see. I swear I hate this thing. Like, I hate it. For real, I hate it. Okay. Let me hurry up and take this off before they start being too hard. Ooh, y'all, they look so good. Look at how pretty they look. You guys, my wig game, y'all. I've been making some wigs, y'all. And then I go on Facebook Live, like when I'm almost done with one, or when I started, one of the two. And I'll be talking to my Facebook friends and stuff. Okay, let's see what that's gonna do. And usually we have sausage and stuff with it, but today I forgot to take the sausage out of the deep freezer. So we just gonna make it do what it do today. Make it do what it dangity diggity do. We got the rice, the cucumbers. Rice, cucumber, shrimp, crab legs. Let's see what these crab legs is doing, y'all. Let's see. Yum. Seasoned. Oh my gosh, it's so seasoned so well. Perfect. Perfect. I have to do the tongue pop on that. Look at that meat. Let me dip it in some of this sauce for y'all. Look at that. But these so fat. Lobster tails don't seem like they want to float. But they cooking. Ooh, we y'all. Ooh, wee. I'm glad I saw that video that somebody posted on Facebook. And they're from California. So, I don't know where the place was. But when I saw they posted it, I'm like, oh, I'm going to make it. I'm going to do fry some. That's exactly what I said. And let me start messing with this thing. Oh my goodness. Did I just turn you guys off? Nope. Okay. That's what I mean. Yep. Yesterday, I didn't feel like seafood. Well, Sunday I didn't. But today, I did. See what these lobsters is doing, y'all. These are seasoned so good too. I'm just dropping stuff, you guys. But this is so good. So good. Ooh, y'all. Look at the lobster tail. What? Yeah, that beer batter that made them all swollen. Look at how fat they got, you guys. Ooh, wee. I am done. Let me unplug this thing. Let me make sure I unplug the right thing. See, here I go. Ooh, shit popping. Okay. Now, dang, how am I gonna take you guys over here without losing the light? I'm about to unplug y'all. Here we go. We going to the other side, y'all. Hopefully this is a good view for you guys. Cause of this little thing here. Let's see, let me bring it down some, point it towards the table. Let's see. I don't know, we're gonna work it out, y'all. We're gonna work it out. But I'm not even really trying to be eating. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, how do I organize this? Okay, do this like this. Oh, let me look that rice, you guys. Woo! That rice is hot. Y'all see that steam coming from that rice? I should put this rice in this crab juice. Okay. Let me give me a plate. Ooh. Y'all got my wine. It ain't a wine glass, but it's still wine. Okay. This should do what I want. Okay. What I want to start with. Should I start with the lobster tail, you guys? Oh my goodness. Let's see. Then you're not going to eat? Huh? He ain't going to eat right now, y'all, but I am. Maybe I should put some rice, a little bit of rice on this plate. I'm not really a rice person, but just for the sake of this video, I'll put some rice, a couple of cucumbers, some scrimps, crab legs, big ones. And I got my wine, y'all. So let's see. What should I do? Oh, I forgot the big fat lobster tail, y'all. I think I'm gonna try this first. I think I am going to. Take some of this sauce. Oh, wait, what is this in here? Is what the heck? Well, that's a shrimp, okay? One of the shrimps that I had. Pouring some of that sauce on there. Again, this is partially beloved sauce. Now, redid. It just like mostly onions and stuff in it there. But I showed you guys what I put in it already. Onions, Mmm. Guys, this is good. Like, really, really good. That. This is good. Okay. I'm gonna lobster meat, y'all. Sam, I think I may have done it again. Guys, this is just fab. Fab, fab, fab. Woo! I hate when something is so good. I'm not that hungry. But I'm gonna keep pushing. You guys, today, man, I made so many wigs. And I went on Facebook Live, like, when I first started the wig. Just say hi to my Facebook people. And I got 2 orders. People want the same wig, but different colors, so yeah. And that works for me. And when I got my pedicure, toes looking good. I uploaded the video. And I started uploading at the salon. Not this one, but the one that I posted earlier today. At the salon. And then it stopped when I left out of there. And then it started uploading again in Sam's Club. And then it stopped. So it finished uploading when I got home. But when I watched it after I uploaded it, that dang on thing was moving in slow motion. Some was slow, some was fast. And I don't leave it up there because it got views, but that would have bothered me, so I went on and took it down and re-edited it. Or re-uploaded it. You guys, I don't like putting my seafood in submerging it in water, my crab legs, because I don't like that water log you be having. I like to taste the seafood, not a bunch of water. Y'all, please excuse my cursing from earlier, but this stand will make you curse. Will make you curse. Woo! This is good. And once again, I made 20 crab legs, but the good thing about that is they are not waterlogged. And I can put them back in a roasting bag again to heat them up. Got onions. That got onions and ginger, you guys. And that cucumber. And I'm not really a shrimp person. Stand like shrimp. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna eat this shrimp. It's good though. Y'all, I'm done. Maybe I should have said cheers earlier. Well, never too late. Cheers. And then on that note, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Oh, one more thing. One time I was doing a video for you guys, and it was the Alaska king crab. I bit down on that. I didn't even know it cracked my tooth until one day I was eating something else, and then part of the tooth came. I'm like, what the heck? But I remember I thought my tooth was cracked, and I've been into this. Well, I gotta fix it. And why am I doing it on the other tooth? I don't know. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna finish eating. You guys have a blessed night. I'm out.